According to law of conservation of angular momentum, torque acting on the body becomes zero, then angular momentum of the system is constant. What is the formula for angular momentum, Bangaru Kondalu? I omega is constant. Simply I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. Simply I inversely proportional to omega. Okay, Nana? I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. Simply I inversely proportional to omega. Okay? Best examples: ballet dancer, a man standing on the turntable, a swimmer dives into the water. Alane scatter. Nana, next Nana, the best example is earth strings Nana. Earth's strings Nana. This is the best example of law of conservation of angular momentum. ఎర్త్ స్ట్రింక్ అంటే తగ్గిపోయింది. ఎందుకు తగ్గింది? బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నల్ అట్రాక్షన్స్. హియర్ నో ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టార్క్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్. In this situation, the first condition is mass of the earth is constant. This is the condition. Here we apply law of conservation of angular momentum. I omega is constant. I here I concept name is earth. Earth acts as a solid sphere, so that's why moment of inertia of the solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. Here omega formula is 2 pi by t. Right side it becomes constant. Here according to situation 2 by 5 constant, 2 pi constant, mass also constant. Denominator other side numerator, simply t directly proportional to r square. T directly proportional to r square. This is most important formula to solve the problems when mass of the earth is constant but earth strings. Next condition, look here all of you. In the second situation, for example, density is constant. Density of earth is considered as a constant. In the situation, we apply law of conservation of angular momentum. I omega is constant. In the situation, earth acts as a solid sphere. Its moment of inertia is 2 by 5 mr square. Omega write as 2 pi by t equal to constant. In the situation, mass write as volume into density. Here density denoted by rho. Volume, earth is a solid sphere, so that's why volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Mass write as volume into density into r square into 2 pi by t equal to constant. In the situation, this is r power 3, this is r power 2. In the situation, r power 5 directly proportional to t. Nana, I give time period of rotation of earth, I give two formulas. One is T directly proportional to R power 5. In this situation, density of earth is constant. Mass of the earth is constant. T directly proportional to R square. Omega 1. Okay, Nana? This is another body, Nana. This is also its moment of inertia I2. Angular speed is omega 2. It also rotates. Both are rotated in the same direction. In the situation, both are joined, both are attached and rotate common axis. Once again I repeat, Nana. Here two bodies are there, Nana. The first body have its moment of inertia I1 and angular speed is omega 1. Second body moment of inertia I2, angular speed is omega 2. Both are attached and rotate common axis. Both are attached. Here in the rotatory motion, mass analogous is moment of inertia 2 kg, 3 kg, total mass 5 kg. Simply here I1 plus I2, mass analogous, moment of inertia. Here common speed is how much? This is the question. Look here now. This is the question. In this situation, both the discs are attached. Here no external torque we apply. Law of conservation of angular momentum. According to law of conservation of angular momentum before attaching equal to angular momentum after attaching. Look here, all of you. Angular momentum before attaching. L ante formula I omega. I1 omega 1 first body, I2 omega 2. Here plus because both the bodies rotate in the same direction. Keyword. Right side, L formula I omega. This is omega. Here I write as both the bodies are attached. Total mass is I1 plus I2. In the situation, what is the final velocity of the two discs attached? Angular speed is I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 whole by I1 plus I2. Once again I repeat. What is the angular speed? Both the bodies are attached. Omega equal to I1 omega 1 plus I2 omega 2 by I1 plus I2. Very important now. In the situation, find change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy write as Ke final minus Ke initial. In the chapter rotatory motion, kinetic energy formula of I omega square. Finally here write half into I1 plus I2 into omega square of I omega square minus initially two bodies are there. First body of I1 of I1 omega 1 square plus second body of I2 omega 2 square. Here omega value here substitute. Finally change in kinetic energy is, finally we get nana నేను చేయట్లేదు బంగారు కొండలు ఒమేగా ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. చేంజ్ ఇన్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ I1 I2 by I1 plus I2 half into I1 I2 by I1 plus I2 into, neatly write as omega 1 minus omega 2 whole square. This is the formula for change in kinetic energy when both the bodies are attached. Both the bodies are attached. Write down R. Of you in this situation, see, in this situation, first body moving in this direction, rotate in this direction, second body rotating in this direction. Before attaching, two discs are opposite direction. In this situation, here minus, because angular momentum is a vector. Before attaching, two discs are rotating in opposite direction. One is clockwise, other one is anti-clockwise. What is the angular velocity of the both discs after attaching? Equal to I1 omega 1 minus I2 omega 2 whole by I1 plus I2. In the situation, change in kinetic energy, right? ఇంతకు ముందు మైనస్ వచ్చిందిగా ప్రీవియస్ కేస్, ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది ప్లస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద చేంజ్ ఇన్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఫార్ములా? హాఫ్ ఇంటూ I1 I2 by I1 plus I2 into omega 1 plus omega 2 whole square. This is applicable only two discs are rotating in opposite direction before attach.